Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'll show you this second Lego puzzle box I made. It's called the elevator because it consists of 2 levels that you need to solve, and this gray piece and along all the other pieces right here marks the top floor you need to solve first. This tile right here marks the elevator. So an elevator usually have a button, right? Or it has buttons. So I'm gonna press this button and out comes a key. Then insert your key in the slot, push out this axle, turn around, you see there's a hole there, and inside there is an axle, a red one if you can see, but don't think so because the lighting here is not really good. So you just place this in, give it a push, and see the elevator is now able to drop to a lower floor. So retrieve your key and see those that bluish color, which when you just put the light here, I'm not sure if you can see, but there is a slight blue kind of color. Let's try to put the light here. Yeah, maybe you can't see, but there's the blue color and there's a light gray. So you take this key, push these in, and then now the tray is now completely aligned. Now, how do you get it out? This thing kind of slides, but something's locking it. So let's use our hands and feel. Hey, this thing seems to move. I'm going to use our key. Push it in, all the way in. So now this slides out. And maybe let's try to get that out. It's not coming out. So the last thing you need to do is put this in. And just oops, that broke, but that's okay. So just push these and I'll push it to align with that path. Give it a little shake. Something's not working, but I'll fix that later. So you want to get that out real quick. Okay, so now let's just use our little slot door. So hold on a sec. I troubleshoot this. So, okay, use this. Push it out. Oh gosh, exploded. And here is your prize tray with $100 bill inside. So let me just try to get that piece out. So the reset. First, take this slot, place it inside here, and just focus the camera. So you place it inside here. Make sure this is all of it. So you place it in, align and slot back. Because there is a slot inside there which locks it when moving. Next, you can place your axle back into this slot. Push these 2 tiles back across as well as this little axle. Open the top, make sure these 2 parts are out. Place it like this. Now the axle prevents it from dropping. And now you place that top back on. Let me just push that. Okay. Take your key, put it in this slot, and that's it. And yes, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will do a tutorial on this. Just remember to like and comment down below if you have any suggestions of puzzle box. So you want me to do like something specific, you can tell me. If I could not, then probably I'll try something else. And that's it for this video. Subscribe and bye.